Good morning, viewers. Today on 21 August 2023, just I visited Prestige Smart City after near about booking my flat in 2022. So I wanted to see the update and along with you also see the Prestige Smart City update, how much the construction has taken place. Just just see, it is as previously I discussed, it is located on Sarjapur main road, and just see the location nearby, and just broad road is also accessible, everything. So I will move in and I will show you the Prestige City construction. So we will have a view. And however, the price of the Prestige City, Smart City is increased like anything. The growth, the amount is, you can see, I booked 3 BHK for that time for 1 CR. Now it is just costing 1.55 CR for 3 BHK of the same space. So now you can say within 1 year the branded, as usually I used to say in my earlier video, whenever you purchase the property, you just purchase the branded property, which will give you a growth, and then for your living purpose also, as well as for your connectivity also. So just you take a glance. Just when I will enter, then I will just show you, take you along with my video, so that you can just see the Prestige Smart City construction up to date. What is the construction they have done up to now? जैसा कि अभी मैं अंदर आ चुका हूँ प्रेस्टीज स्मार्ट सिटी. सो जस्ट आई विल अगेन गिव यू जस्ट ग्लिम्स. जस्ट यू सी, ये जो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क इनका यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो जाता है, और ये जो पहला यू कैन से टावर पड़ता है, ये एवलॉन है. ये एवलॉन का कंस्ट्रक्शन यू कैन जस्ट सी द कैमरा दैट साइड. ये जो टावर आपको दिख रहा है, ये एवलॉन का है. और ये जब आप अंदर घुस के आ जाते हैं तो ये इनका प्रेस्टीज स्मार्ट सिटी का आगे मैं दिखाता हूँ, आगे कंस्ट्रक्शन अपडेट करता हूँ. तो ये देखिए, ये जो इनका एंट्री गेट से जब आप एंटर करते हैं तो घर का काम देखिए ज़ोरों से चल रहा है. जस्ट आई विल जस्ट अगेन पास से आपको दिखाता हूँ. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन जो ये पहले घर हैं इनके, जो विला हैं वो पहले इन्होंने जो कंप्लीशन, ये इनका जो वर्क चल रहा है, प्रोडक्शन वर्क चल रहा है, और वहाँ से टावर स्टार्ट होती है, दैट इज़ एवलॉन. जैसा कि मैंने बताया था आपको, ये देखिए इनका एस्पेन ग्रीन करके जो विला है, ये इनके बनके लगभग तैयार हो चुके हैं. कंस्ट्रक्शन वाइज यू जस्ट सी, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, मतलब शोइंग यू द कंप्लीटेड विला. एंड जब मैं अंदर एंट्री लिया था तो कंस्ट्रक्शन जिन विला का हो रहा था तो दिखाया था आपको. और ये इनका इसके बाद ये एवलॉन है. फर्स्ट विला अपार्टमेंट इज एवलॉन. एवलॉन भी लगभग यू कैन से फुल कंस्ट्रक्शन व्यू में है. जैसे देखिए फुल कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है. सो जस्ट सी, माई मेकिंग दिस वीडियो टू शो यू द अपडेट, एज टुडे इज 21 August 2023. So what is the work is going on in Prestige Smart City, and that you can, that buyers or viewers can update. So this area, see how the infrastructure is getting built up here. further I will move, and again I will show you what is the Meriden Park and Eden Park. As I have shown you this spring green, this villa, which is now that time when in July 22 when this pre-launch was there, it was costing only 3 crores. Now it is 4.5 cr. The current value of this, if you see, then it will be 4.5 cr. So the escalation of the property in Bangalore, that too also a branded property. If you are getting a chance in pre-launch, you must visit in and think your finance budget, so you can be benefited for financial purpose also, and for your suppose for living also you will get a better society. As you know, this project is 180 acres of land. So in that 4 towers are coming, you know, like Eden, Avalon, Meridon, Esprit. Now this is Bella apartment is also coming in this. So near about, and then plot also they have sold out near about 800. So you can check it out when the people are here. Near about 10,000 people will living here, and so the growth of the market and growth of the real estate and infrastructure, and then connectivity, as metro is also coming to this area. So all the amenities, school, colleges, they are equipped here. You can just see how the wherever the branded real estate goes, the infrastructure and development goes, follow that. Any government, like this new government also promising to do the very good investment in real estate, support the real estate and provide the infrastructure or other connectivity from this Sarjapur is very nice. So you can think of, always follow and check out for a property in real estate. If you want to buy, then go for, my recommendation will be always go with branded builder. Just check, this is Avalon, how the construction has reached up to this, and see the construction work is going on, and I think it is the height of the floor has been taken, number of the flat has been made. This is they have provided for Avalon, this area. You just check it out. And dual road, one is for entry, another is for exit. So the road width is too much, and this is another, like you see right on. This is also a full flow work is going on, and this is their marketing office or sales office, you can say. Behind that, one more apartment is there, that is Meriden Park. This is Eden Park. This is a Eden Park apartment, and this is behind the sales office. You see, I'll just go there and I'll just show you there. So this the construction work is full throttle. नाउ ये जो लास्ट अपार्टमेंट है, ये जैसा कि मैंने बताया आपको, तो ये इसके सामने ही ये जो विला प्लॉट्स भी हैं वो भी इसी के सामने, और इसके पीछे भी एक गेट है। एक तो आपने रोड की तरफ देखा है गेट जिससे हम एंट्री करते हैं, क्योंकि ये 180 एकड़ का प्रोजेक्ट है, तो इसके आगे भी एक गेट है जो कि वर्तूर की तरफ खुलता है। So just see the construction is full flow because of the security or construction work going on. So they are not allowing that side to visit. And just see, I have just shown you the construction work up to date till now in this 21 August 2023. So huge area for maintenance and furthermore shopping complex, the branded everything will come this side, as they have to feed the and the real estate or infrastructure will himself will be growing, as I initially told in this video. Near about 10,000 people will be living in this 180 acre of land. So visiting this property, just I booked my flat in Avalon in 2022. So I wanted to, after a lot, near about 6 month gap, I visited this property. So main visiting purpose is to just show you also viewers the what is the work is going on here, and full view what is up to now. This is the construction work going on in Prestige. So you all viewers should be familiar with this. Buyers also who bought the property at flat here, they will be also benefited by this. So like this video for information purpose, and again at the last I will suggest to the viewers, whenever the buy property, go with the check all the legality, and because it is your hard earned money, decide properly and check all the documents. And if you are going to branded builder, so I number of times repeat this. So there work is there in the city. As I am talking about the Prestige, they have got near about 30 to 35 infrastructure already built in Bangalore. So they have good amount of faith in the customers, and so that's why customer move there, because your hard-earned money, and you should not that your hard-earned money should not be wasted in the the local builders or the builders which cheat, and they are not giving any transparency about the project. So here is the builder who can just, you can look it out and think of purchasing the flat or property in this for your growing purpose as well as for living purpose. How you like this video? Let me know, and do also subscribe my channel Out of Box, so that I will be making further more video so which will be benefited to my viewers. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching my video also. Okay, till then, bye.